Now, in this rendition, I'm going to explain how this sweet cutoff shirt came to be. I had a friend ask me about where did I get that awesome shirt. I altered it slightly when I received it. But let's go back. Let's go back 17 years to the game that we played against, I believe it was the Pekin Panthers. We filed into the locker room, got our pads on, went through our pregame, and the head coach came up to the front of the locker room and said that one of the assistant coaches wanted to talk to us and share something with us. So he came up to the front with a CD player and a CD and plugged it in and pushed play, and this is what came out. So this part came on and we were like, okay, alright, and he started giving his pep talk on who's gonna let your dogs out, huh? Who's gonna let your dogs out? And inspiring us for the upcoming game. You can imagine what our response was. Then, of course, our thoughts towards one another started to take over. Am I supposed to let your dogs out? Yeah. You could let my dogs out. Okay. Hey, you want me to let your dogs out? No thank you. I can let my own dogs out. Thank you very much. Coach, I don't have anyone to let my dogs out. Are you gonna assign me someone, or how are we doing that? How exactly are we letting each other's dogs out? Well, needless to say, I'm not sure if there was anyone that night that had their dogs let out. Because I'm sure you're wondering through all this, what was the outcome of the game? Well, we lost just by the hair of our chinny chin chin. They squeaked by us 28 to nothing. It was the only game of the regular season that year that we lost. But yeah. But later on in the season when that game was out of our memory, I think some of the senior parents had caught wind, or just parents in general caught wind of the experience that we had in the locker room that day, and they made us shirts commemorating that event that also represented our birth to the playoffs, and they dubbed it "Who Let the Warriors Out?" So now, whenever I wear this shirt around the privacy and comfort of my own home with the cut-off sleeves, I find myself absent-mindedly chanting, "Who let the warriors out?" So if you're looking for a moral in this whole story, it's this. Don't play this song if you want to get inspired for a football game.